Good morning, everyone. This is Vinod from Excel Snippet. This is our exam series on 2016 version, series 4.0. If you closely watch in this particular video, I would like to add two different videos together, but unfortunately, whatever we have learned in the 2019 version, it is as same as 2016 in 2016 too. So I don't want to develop a video on that unnecessarily. So if you want to know about this topic on the video number 2, you can refer video number 2 in the Excel video series 5.0. So that allows you to get the same information, whether you're working in 2016 or 2019 version. It is going to be one and the same. So I'm concentrating on the video number 3 here. It is a combination of video number 2 and 3. So we are concentrating more on video number 3. In video number 3, almost again, you can see the repetition that is happening in our 2016 or 2019 version. It is almost the same, but slightly a different logic here. So now I wish to add a sheet here. So let me add a sheet here. So the first logic is change the worksheet tab color. So generally when we are going to change the color of the worksheet here, I'll give a right click here. You can see the tab color here, and you can add a color, whatever they say. So they say that they either ask you to give a light blue or blue, or they will give you a dark blue and purple and so on. So you can just choose what is the color that you want. So now you can see that the tab is colored here. You can rename the worksheet also. Just rename the worksheet here. It's file 1. Then I'm just adding a few more sheets here. And then you can see that change the order of the worksheet. They'll ask you to put the file 1 the last sheet, so they can drag and drop it to the final most component. And modify page setup is typically the same. And if you want to add a row or a column, so let me just add something in here. So now I want to add a column here. So I can just click here and insert a column, or click here and insert a row. Or if you want to just delete this, select this and you can just say delete the row, and select this and delete will delete the column for us. If you want to insert it, you can insert it either by a cell or a sheet or the list here. So now I'm going to just place one of the cell in here, and I'm going to just show you this. Now you can see that I can add a column here. And if I place the cursor in here and if I go to insert, you can see that it can either show a row or a column for us. Now I can add a row and I can add a column here. I've deleted it rather. I wish to add them here. So now we can add a column. So this is what you do in a insert and deletion of a row and a column. And themes. Themes is a new logic in here. So to get the themes, I'll go to my page layout and you can set the themes here. So for example, I'm going to just select the whole list here. Just change the theme to some other logic which is default available. And I select the facet, so you can see that the font size are changing. The entire data, colors, everything is getting changing here. So you can just set something like this. This is a theme. They will ask you to just add a specific theme. So if you don't know the specific theme name, so you can just, they'll give the name that this into an office or I own, or you can just set whatever you want to do with it. Organic means you can set up this retrospect, and you can see celestial and then basic. So all the names will be coming on below my themes here, or if you are just placing your cursor on top of the theme, it shows you what theme that you're selecting in here. So when I click this, automatically my themes are changing in here. That's what the theme is all about. And now we can adjust the row height and column width. We saw this already, and we even saw how to work with the insert header and footer in our video number 3 in exam series. So hope you just reach there. So if you go through 19, most of the data are covered here. If you want to go for specific logics, you can jump into the video number 2 on 3, which allows you to get what you want to learn in Excel examination series. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Snippet, and be ready for our exams. We are going to write our exam by August. Thank you so much.